Good evening. This is Anushka Basu, and you are watching In Shots at 7 pm on Democratic 365. Today's headlines are: the Gujarat government has decided not to enact the anti love jihad law for the time being. The decision was made after legal experts, including the Advocate General, opined that the new law might not be legally sustainable. Gujarat's existing law has provision to penalize a person involved in forced conversion under the pretext of love or marriage. The Centre on Friday told Supreme Court that it was agreeable to grant one more chance to those civil services aspirants who took the exam last year during the pandemic and exhausted the number of attempts. But the government said it would not grant another chance to those hit by the age bar. High-speed 4G internet services were restored in entire Jammu and Kashmir on Friday in view of the overall security situation in the Union Territory. Internet services across J&K were shut on August 5, 2019 and subsequently restored at 2G speed. Protesters have said the Chakka Jam will happen only on national and state highways and nothing will take place inside Delhi. Police, however, is not taking the promise at face value and gearing up for a law and order challenge in order to avoid a repeat of the violence on Republic Day. Rejecting a woman petitioner's demand for recusal of Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, who had headed a bench earlier to decline her relief, a bench of Justices Chandrachud and M.R. Shah said merely because the order might not be in favor of the applicant earlier cannot be a ground for recusal. A litigant cannot be permitted to browbeat the court by seeking a bench of its choice. Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee, while presenting the state budget on Friday, proposed to allocate Rs 100 crore each to build an Azad Hind monument in New Town and for setting up Jai Hind Bhavans in all districts in honor of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose on his 125th anniversary. The International Criminal Court ruled Friday that it had jurisdiction over the situation in the occupied Palestinian territories, paving the way for the tribunal to open a war crimes investigation. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu denounced the ICC as a political body, while the United States said it had serious concerns over the decision. The Palestinians called it a victory for justice. India can draw satisfaction over OPEC leaving the Asian price unchanged for March, since it indicates the group is listening to concerns of consumers. India had reacted sharply to the surprise Saudi offer of an additional production cut on January 5, which sent oil prices soaring. Tune in for more such headlines every evening at 7 pm here on Democratic 365.